Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you how I created this look. So the original thought was to make like spring inspired, spring feels makeup, and then this happened. As soon as I saw that blue color in that palette, which you're gonna see, which I used, I was like, I want to use that because it looks pretty. And I didn't care about the spring colors whatsoever. So sorry, this is no spring inspired makeup look. Maybe next one if you'd like to see one. But yeah, this is what I created, guys. Ta-da, 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 ta-da. And please keep on watching if you'd like to see how I done this look. I have applied some moisturizer on my face already. So my skin feels nice and soft and I'm ready to put on some foundation. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mix two foundations together. I do this a lot with my shades, with different foundations. So first of all, I'm gonna take this Revlon Colourstay foundation, my go-to. I'm gonna do like 2 pumps of that. Then I'm gonna go in with this Huda Beauty Facts Filter foundation. This is actually too dark on me right now because my fake tan is fading at the moment. I'm gonna do like a little pump. I'm not gonna do too much. And I'm gonna mix those two together. And I normally just put on my foundation and then I'd go in with a little bit more with my sponge. I'm going in with this EYEBROW Pro Concealer, as always. Now I'm gonna go ahead and set my face using this loose powder. And now I'm gonna bronze up my face, or shall I say contour my face, using this little kit by 17 Cosmetics. I use this shade here. I think I look too dark. What have I done? Like, I'm not that tan. What am I doing? I'm just gonna contour my nose as well. Now I'm gonna use this little blush by Kiko Cosmetics, and it's in color Smart. Oh, this is such a cute blush. Ooh. Yes. So now I'm gonna use this Fix Spray by Makeup Revolution. Honestly, this stuff is so good. I just love to spray my face after like I put everything together, all the powders, everything, before I do my highlight. So when I like spray it, I feel like everything melts together. So you're not gonna look powdery, anything like that. You're not gonna look cakey. And I'm gonna spray my little highlighter brush for that extra glow for my highlighter. So guys, if you ever watched one of my videos before, I did like Primark makeup haul before, and I absolutely fell in love with one of their highlighters, which I'm gonna use today. It is this shade here. As you can tell, I use it a lot as well and every day, and it's called Double Dimension. So beautiful. This is definitely too much, but I love it. Someone tells you that you got too much highlighter on, tell them you actually don't and put on some more. This is something my friend taught me. She goes, put it here, it looks really cool. And it does. It looks like I had a sunburn a little bit, but maybe that's the look I'm going for today. So I did my eyebrows off the camera. I've got a link just down below so you can check it out if you want to see how I normally do them. Now I'm gonna do my eyes, which I'm really excited about, as it was my birthday, obviously. Shit. So my friend got me this makeup palette, well, sorry, eyeshadow palette by Zoeva, Aristo, and she literally was worried. She goes, oh, I don't think you like my present, because she bought me some makeup, beauty products, and I'm thinking there in my head like, next week video's coming out with this. I don't know what she's talking about, because yes, I do like makeup when people give me makeup. So today I want to go out of my comfort zone. I'm already looking at this palette, and I'm looking at obviously like the neutral colors, the brown shades, which I always go for and which I love. But then I'm thinking, I'm wearing a blue top and I need to switch things up. So I think I'm gonna go for the blue colors. First of all, I'm gonna go in this color called Pluto's, which is gonna work as my transition shade. This was one way. A little bit of this. And now I'm gonna go in this color called Blessing, and I'm gonna start working with this blue color. I don't think I ever had blue eyeshadows on my eyelids before. So now I'm gonna take like a little flat brush. I'm gonna use this shade here, which is called Mother's House, and I want to start creating like a wing or something almost, like, and smoke it out. I don't know what I'm doing, honestly. I'm just going with the flow. And I'm gonna go ahead and use like a little smaller brush. This is by Morphe and it's M321. And I want to like add a little bit more color here and like smoke it out slightly. Okay, I intended to do a little bit less of all this, but as always I go over the top. So I decided I'm gonna go in this shimmer color, which is called the Goddess, and I'm gonna apply that underneath my brow bone. And I'm also thinking my inner corners of my eyes. Ooh, and this is pigmented. Love it. Just look at this. These days you don't even know me. These days you don't even know me. And honestly, I'm just feeling extra today, so I'm gonna go in with this. And I'm gonna go in with this beautiful green shimmery shade, which is called Prehistory. And I'm gonna apply that underneath my eyes. Ooh. Honestly, I was just going through my makeup drawers and I had to control myself not to reach for some glitter and some diamante things because I feel like that might ruin everything. But you know, when you just have this colourful look and you just feel like adding some more colours and glitter and butterflies. But I think I'm going to stop right here. And I'm just going to curl my eyelashes. And I'm going to put some mascara on. And I'm just like cleaning up my lips a little bit, scrub them so they're matte lipstick ready. I'm going to use this lipstick by Gerard Cosmetics and it's in shade Invasion. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and I'll see you in my next videos, guys. Ciao!